Good morning, Prof. I'm Daryl from S15 Group 7, and today I'll be talking about my contributions and reflections for my Python project. Now, for Project 1, creating a property search program, I was part of the team which created a user interface to collect user inputs, as well as read the CSV file to sort, interpret the data provided, and store them properly. I was also in charge of creating the function that allowed for adding new properties into the existing database in order to better enrich the dataset. Now, for Project 1, I've learned how to effectively use functions and streamline codes in order to create a code that is more efficient. I also learned how to read and store data from external CSV files and store them in dictionaries for further use. Now for Project 2, I was the team coordinator and helped to delegate parts and set deadlines. Along with that, I was in charge of creating the graphs and providing analysis for the second and third questions of our poster, namely looking at trends in prices per square meter of coastal districts, their stability, as well as the potential for appreciation. I also ensured quality of the poster by standardizing the different parts from different team members and made the poster more presentable. From that, I learned how to effectively manipulate data files using Python and create graphs to interpret data. Using such graphs, I've learned how to analyze trends in the data to come up with new conclusions that will be helpful in a business context, and how to effectively portray the data in my poster so that readers will easily understand the information that I am trying to convey. Now on to my reflection. I've chosen the topic of functions in creating a property program. Now functions are independent lines of code that can be called upon when a function is called to accomplish a specific task. So now, how did functions help me with the creation of my program? Firstly, they allow me to break my program into different steps to simplify it. Secondly, this allows me to test individual parts of my code for better debugging. Thirdly, functions remove the need for rewriting. And lastly, it removes the need to store as many variables, as variables in my function only exist within the function unless otherwise stated. Now these functions create a simple and streamlined program that is easy to use as well as easy to understand. Now in conclusion, functions are imperative in creating coding programs as they allow for easy segmentation of different parts of the code and can help us make our code more efficient with its reusability. Thank you.